Storie Storie. So there was a story about a young man who was looking for a job. And he found a company that does timber. And he went in, told him, excuse me, really love a job. You got any jobs? And they said, yeah, we got a job. He's like, does it pay well? Yeah, it does. And he's like, oh, I love this. Okay, what do I need to do? Chop down trees. Yeah, I can do that. And so he was given his axe. What was he given? His axe. And of course, he put the axe on his shoulder. Boom, 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 boom. And he got down to his first tree. Yeah. And he started, zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh, that day he was working hard. What was he working? And he, zoom, zoom, zoom. First day, 20 trees. And the boss said, what? Well done, I'm impressed. And of course, when you get compliments, it lifts you up, right? You're like, oh, tomorrow watch me then, tomorrow watch me. And he came in the next day, picked up his axe, started going, and he, and he started, zoom, zoom, zoom. And that, you're right. And that day, 17 trees. Huh? What happened? He's like, okay, cool, no, tomorrow, I'll make up for it tomorrow. And so he came in the next day, picked up his axe, put it on his shoulder, and he got outside and he started, zoom, zoom, zoom. How many trees? 14 trees. It's like, what's wrong with me? No. Tomorrow, watch me. Red Bull for breakfast. And he had his Weetabix. And he came, got the axe, and zoom, zoom. This time he only did 10 trees. I know. And of course, by now he was worried. And so he went to his boss and he was thinking, I'm going to lose my job, man. Like, first day I'm doing 20 trees? What? And he went to his boss and he was like, look, please, don't fire me. I'm really sorry. I know I've only been able to do 10 trees, but I'll make up for it next week. And the boss looked at him and smiled. And he said, when was the last time you sharpened your axe? Sharpen my axe? He said, I was too busy cutting down trees to think about sharpening my axe. When I say story, story, you say... Storie Storie. Storie Storie. Thank you very much.